our lesson, we have distractions. Okay, so distractions make it easier to extract values from arrays or objects. So we have array distractions and we have object distraction. So an example of an array distraction is like this: const and square brackets a b, and then initialize it to 1 and 2. So this is an example of an array distraction. So here it's like this: a will be equal to 1 and b will be equal to 2. Then we have object distractions. So with the object distraction, you can have something like this: person is equal to name, and then profile Alice. And then we have our age, which is 25, and then you terminate it. So then we can have this: profile, age is equal to person. So this is an example of an object distraction. Template, literals, and these are variable declarations. Okay, so yes,